Start of a new week. Oh, we got the headset on. Oh, look like a darn buffoon with the headset on. That's the Kenworth. I'll get a little closer, show you guys what's going on this morning. All right. So you can see I got the battery panel off. Just one of those days where we got a little bit of juice, but as soon as you go to try and start it, nothing. So I called the boss, woke him up this morning. Almost 5 o'clock now. I've been here over an hour. So I tried to jump him. I had some cables. I thought, well, I'll just try and see. He just needs a little bit of juice to get over the hump. Well, my little cables didn't do enough, so it is what it is. But it is like 25 degrees this morning, so that's why it's winter time. Batteries takes its toll on the batteries. So because of that, we weren't supposed to be in this truck yet, but now, boom, we're gonna be in this truck, at least for today. We'll see if it keeps going. He had paperwork for someone else in there. We swapped it into this truck, so I don't know what he promised him, if the other guy's supposed to be in a different truck, or if I'm running this truck now from now on, because that was kind of what he suggested to me, but we'll see. We'll see if I'm in the flat top Pete for good or just for today. Does this look a little familiar, guys? You guys see that black hood? Looking familiar, looking like the El Hueso days. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not gonna get too excited yet because we don't know if it's really permanent or not. Because there's only one way to know for sure that you're gonna have a permanent truck assignment, and that's if you own the truck. But otherwise, if you're working for someone else, nothing's permanent. You do what boss says. That's just the way it works. So we'll see. I feel bad for the guy who was supposed to be in this truck today, and I had to jump in it. But then again, I don't feel that bad. He'll live. All right, it is the middle of the day. We finally got some light on this truck, so I just wanted to let you guys hear some of the sounds of this truck as we roll on. You guys want to hear this? It's a real truck. right, we're pretty much out of the stop and go stuff, so I didn't get too much of it for you, but I'm sure you could hear the turbo whistling. Obviously, you could hear the Jakes when I turned them on. I know you could hear that. But yeah, nice truck. I don't know. This hood looks awfully familiar. What do you guys think? All right, day number 2, back in the saddle of a Black Pete. Let's go. That one's all lit up over there. That ain't me. I'm just nice and simple. Nice and simple. Back in the Black Pete for good. Boss said, that's yours. Roll it. All right. Let's see. Oh, the air hasn't built up yet, so we're gonna hear some beeping for a little bit, but it is 37 and rainy, so wonderful weather. Oh, wonderful weather. But yeah, we're almost there, guys. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. And stop. I said stop. All right. There we go. So we'll let this thing warm up. That is not the correct time. It's actually an hour different than that, but that screen's a little messed up, so trying to get through all of the menu to make the changes is difficult to do. So anyway, we'll sit here and let her warm up, and then we'll get on the road. Get this road on the show. All right. I don't remember if I showed you guys what this truck looks like. And you know what? I don't even really want to show it to you right now because it's so dirty. But, you know, what the heck? Let's show you. There you go. Oh, Black Betty, bam ram. Oh, Black Betty, bam ram. So filthy dirty. Just filthy dirty. Filthy dirty. Filthy dirty. But it's raining today. It's a little cold today. We're having pulling in and out of concrete plants when it's raining is why am I still holding the camera over there? Oh, I'm not I'm not good at this stuff, guys. I'm not good at it at all. But anyway, it gets dirty going in and out of concrete plant on a rainy day. So the Yukon is having some issues. We're having some random misfires and some different stuff. So we'll see about changing some parts on the ignition side. I think that's what it is. If not, we may have like a cam position sensor going out, which would make sense because we already changed the crankshaft position sensor. That went out a few months back, and one bolt. That was one bolt. Had to climb under the car, but one bolt. So that was easy. That was within my mechanical abilities. But anyway, all right. I'm gonna head on home, and the wife's cooking up something yummy. We planned all our meals this week. She's got chicken and dumplings to make. She's got we're gonna make some chicken burritos one night. She meal prepped me breakfast burritos for the whole week. Of course, I forgot one this morning, like a dweeb. But anyway, so Mrs. Velox kicking butt, taking names on the housewife side of things. And so I'm gonna go home and see what she's making tonight. I'm ready. All right, coming down here to deliver some sand down here in Lacey's Spring. And then this right here isn't where we deliver sand. This is where we pick up the rock. So we got the quarry right here, and then next driveway right up here is right where that guy turned in is where we deliver the sand. So pretty easy. When I run next door, I say I run next door. It literally is next door. So we've got cement plant over here, and then the quarry is right there, right next door to each other. So it's easy money. Easy money. But yeah. We're deliver some stuff up and then head back and get some more. And we'll see if we're gonna go and get any rock today. I'll go in and talk to him and I'll let you guys know. Friday now at this point. I didn't record anything for the last couple days. Just not a busy week for recording. Not a lot to record. Doing loops and loops and loops and loops and loops. And so, yeah, I could have recorded just now actually, because I smelled brakes when I got back to the the yard yesterday, and then today. So I was like, I actually had the boss look at to make sure like one of the brakes wasn't sticking, that there wasn't anything weird happening. So they did look at it, and then I kept driving it, and I was like, man, it still feels the same. Kept feeling like I was continuing to brake even after I let off the brakes. So I was like, man, but if that was happening, someone behind me would tell me like, hey, your brake light's staying on. Well, today someone finally told me. One of my coworkers, young guy, came up and said, hey man, I think something's stuck under your pedal or something, because your brake lights are on going up the hill. And I know you're not braking up the hill because you're pulling that hill, so clearly. So anyway, so I came back. I should have recorded it, but I didn't. I dug it out. There was like a bunch of mud and crud under the brake pedal. So we'll see if that was the problem. I dug it out with a screwdriver, sprayed it out with the air. So we'll see. It was boring. I didn't think to record it because, like, who wants to, you know, watch that? But I guarantee it was less boring than me telling you the story about it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You guys chose to subscribe to this channel. I didn't make you. I said I just started making videos, and then y'all were the ones that were like, okay, let's watch them. I didn't make you watch them. That was really bad. Anyway, I'm not even a good storyteller. I keep interrupting myself and starting a sentence and restarting it and restarting it. It's really bad, really bad. I should be better at it, and I should be getting better at it, considering I make these videos, but I'm not, and I don't, and they're bad. This is where we'll cut the video. Love you guys. Peace out. See you on the next one.